In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an air filter on a Subaru Forester with a 2.5 liter engine. It is located in the engine bay area. After opening your hood and safely securing it, behind your right headlamp there's your snorkel and your air cleaner box. Underneath your air cleaner box is your air filter. There's a top lid and a bottom housing. This top lid gets removed by pushing one clip to the right, the other one to the left, pull straight up, push out and up. And there's your air filter. After removing your air filter element, this is the perfect time to clean out all this debris. You want to have this area nice and clean. Take your new air filter, slide it down into the lower part of the air box, make sure it's seated correctly. These are your 3 tab holes. They line up with these 3 tabs. You want to pull up towards you, push down, and lock your 2 tabs. Make sure it's secure.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.